Hey guys, I hope that you had a restful break. I'm sure that you probably needed it, whether it was testing or you're just darn tired. I am glad that you had a long 4-day weekend. I wanted to give you a quick update. First, I just want to let you know that I am available this week at Boulder Creek High School for the last time this semester on Wednesday from 12 to 3 o'clock in the library and then 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the JAG Center. So if you need me, you can just shoot me a quick message and let me know that you're coming. I will also be available from 1:30 to 4:30 at Goldwater Thursday this week. Okay. Next week, I'm only available on Thursday at Goldwater from 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock for open lab hours. So if you need fast track hours or you just need to come in and get some work done, just come on in and I'll be there. Okay. Finally, I want to let you know that summer is coming. This Friday, April 26th is the last day to register for summer classes. So just make sure that you are getting that done if you need it. Congratulations, you've made it through the halfway mark of your fast track class. I'm pretty excited for you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much.